Hi, this is Scott Larson. I'm the Assistant City Engineer for Coralville, and I'm here to give the weekly construction update number 3 for the Ridge Avenue project from Oakdale Boulevard to Forever Green Road. Last week, work was completed on the southeast and southwest corners of the Ridge Avenue and Oakdale Boulevard intersection in preparation for paving yet this week. Crosspark Road widening was paved and should be open by the end of this week. And we made modifications to the traffic control at the Oakdale Boulevard and Crosspark Road intersection to hopefully help with some of the congestion issues we saw there. This week we have the lane closure on westbound Forever Green Road approaching Ridge Avenue, and that is for the installation of a water main. That lane closure is expected to remain in place for 3 to 4 weeks. And as always, we encourage you to sign up for construction and traffic updates at coralville.org/notify-me, or check our website, coralville.org/projects, for information about Ridge Avenue and all the other projects we have going on.